I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at using the sleep mode on the Fitbit Charge 5. So this is really easy to do. We're just going to wake the screen up here by tapping on it, and then we're going to swipe down, and we're going to go up to sleep mode. You can see it's off. We're just going to toggle that on. And sleep mode is going to do a couple of things. For one thing, it's going to block notifications. So we're not going to get call notifications, text message notifications, things that we might ordinarily get that would vibrate the watch. So again, trying to make sure that it's not going to wake you up in the middle of the night because your phone got a text message and it's going to try to pass it along to the watch. The other thing is that it's going to prevent the auto screen wake, which normally will happen if you flick your wrist while wearing the Fitbit Charge 5. It's going to wake the screen up. And that's going to be prevented here. So if you're tossing and turning, moving around in bed, it's not going to switch that screen on and unnecessarily wear down the battery on there. To wake it back up, you're going to have to tap the screen. You can switch the sleep mode off again when you're ready to switch back on that auto screen wake. So you can see when we switch it to sleep mode, the screen wake is going to go to manual automatically there. If I switch it off and go back to auto screen wake. So nice to see that. Don't have to worry about switching the screen on inadvertently while you're sleeping. Another thing is it's actually going to dim the screen. So you can see when I switch this off, the screen gets a bit brighter. When I switch it on, the screen's going to get dimmer. And the idea is that the light from the screen can be kind of annoying at night, potentially disturb your sleep in a dark room. So being able to dim it means you can still use the watch if you want to. Check the time or whatever, but it's not going to be as bright and blinding and, causing you to wake up. Now, disabling sleep mode is really easy. Again, tap the screen, and we're just going to swipe up here and just switch it back off like that. And we're back out of sleep mode, back to being awake. The screen goes back to normal brightness. We've got the auto screen wake back on. The other thing it'll do is if you do have the always on display, if you switch into sleep mode, it's going to disable that. Again, probably don't need to have the watch on all the time at night, so that's the nice thing with sleep mode. One final thing, we can go into the settings on here. Go back up to settings, we go into quiet modes, and then we can actually go down to sleep mode on here if we want to. It's gonna give us some extra settings. We can switch it on and off here, but we can also set a schedule. So if you want to set a schedule and determine that sleep mode will go on automatically at a particular time of day, you can do that. And that can be really great if, again, you don't want to be disturbed while you're sleeping. So really nice feature there, sleep mode on the Fitbit Charge 5. Super easy to switch on manually when you go to bed or to have it come on automatically at a particular time of night. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.